Hello everyone, welcome to Friendly with English. In this lesson, we will learn about English prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Let's look at some common prepositions. In. In means inside something. For example, she is in the room. On. On means on a surface. For example, the book is on the table. At. At is used for a specific place. For example, he is at the bus stop. Under. Under means below something. For example, the cat is under the chair. Behind. Behind means at the back of something. For example, the car is behind the house. Remember, prepositions help us describe location, position, and relationship between things. Now, let's learn one of the most important topic in English grammar: in, on, and at. In. Use in for months, years, seasons, countries, cities, and long periods of time. For example, in January, in 2024, in India, in Mumbai. On. Use on for days and specific dates. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on 15 July, on my birthday. At. Use at for exact times and specific moments. For example, at 5 o'clock, at 10:30 a.m., at noon, at midnight. A simple trick to remember: in for longer periods, on for days and dates, and at for exact time. Now let's learn some prepositions of place. These prepositions tell us where a person, animal, or object is located. Above. Above means higher than something. For example, the lamp is above the table. Below. Below means lower than something. For example, the cat is below the table. Between. Between means in the middle of two things. For example, the ball is between the two plants. Near. Near means close to something. For example, there is a park near my house. Opposite. Opposite means facing something on the other side. For example, the post office is opposite the school. These prepositions help us describe positions clearly and accurately. Now, let's learn prepositions of movement. These prepositions show direction or movement from one place to another. To. To means moving towards a destination. For example, I am going to school. Into. Into means moving from outside to inside. For example, she walked into the room. Out of. Out of means moving from inside to outside. Example, he came out of the house. Across. Across means moving from one side to the other side. For example, we walked across the road. Through. Through means passing inside something from one end to the other. For example, the car drove through the tunnel. Remember, to means destination, into means entering, out of means exiting, across means crossing, and through means passing inside. These prepositions make our English more accurate and natural. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Friendly with English for more easy English lessons. Thank you.